Shredders convert flesh into fine coconut flakes.
Cooling sets the texture of finished desserts.
That's the last one from this tree.
Good. Let's load the cart.
Welcome to our coconut factory, where fresh coconuts become sweets and drinks.
Fresh coconuts arrive directly from coastal farms. Advanced scanners categorize coconuts by quality. Experienced technicians confirm the maturity of each coconut. Loose debris is removed before washing. Husking machines remove tough outer fibers. High-pressure washing cleans the shell thoroughly. An antibacterial soak ensures hygienic processing. Brush rollers remove remaining dirt and microparticles. Air jets dry coconuts before cracking. Fresh, cleaned coconuts rest before cracking. Selected coconuts move into the cracking stage. Hydraulic machines crack coconuts cleanly. Macro shots reveal the freshness inside each coconut. Collected coconut water is chilled for drinks. Shells are separated for recycling and reuse. Mechanical scoopers extract coconut flesh. Rinsing prepares flesh for grating.
Steam softens the flesh for smooth processing.
Quality checks ensure only pure flesh continues. Cooling stabilizes texture before grating. Flesh moves toward shredders for fine grating.
Shredders convert flesh into fine coconut flakes.
Grated coconut enters the milk extraction phase.
Hydraulic presses extract rich coconut milk.
Filtration ensures smoothness and purity. Pasteurization guarantees safety. Cooling preserves flavor and nutrients. Centrifuges extract pure coconut oil.
Purity checks ensure premium-grade oil.
Sweet mixes form the foundation for coconut desserts.
Desserts are shaped with precision molds.
Cooling sets the texture of finished desserts.
Drink bases are blended to perfection. Homogenization ensures a silky finish. Containers are sterilized for safe packaging. Fillers portion milk accurately. Oil is bottled with clean, controlled flow.
Dessert cups are filled with sweet mixtures.
Heat seals lock in freshness. Caps are secured for safe transport. Labels identify every product clearly.
Products are arranged into multi-packs.
Shrink wrap secures products for distribution. Cartons are sealed for bulk orders. Robots stack pallets efficiently. Cold storage preserves freshness before shipping.
Lab tests verify purity and safety.
Experts approve the final taste profile.
Shelf life tests predict long-term stability. Final inspections ensure zero defects. Products ship in temperature-controlled trucks. Global shipments send coconut products worldwide. Aerial views showcase the facility's scale.
And that's how coconuts become sweets and drinks.
Night cycles maintain hygiene.
Sanitization prepares the factory for the next day.
Thank you for following this entire journey. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.